You might think a bee biting another means trouble, but in Sydney hives, it's a lifesaver. As autumn cools, honeybees face one of their toughest threats, tiny pests like varroa and hive beetles. Watch closely at the hive entrance. Worker bees are grooming each other, using their jaws and legs to brush and bite pests off their sisters' bodies. This teamwork is more than just cleaning. It's a defense system. Without it, pests multiply fast, weakening the colony as nectar flow slows and honey stores become vital. Autumn means less brood and fewer resources to fight back, so grooming becomes critical for survival. In Sydney's changing weather, nights grow cooler and bees cluster tighter. This makes it easier for pests to spread. Grooming helps break that cycle, protecting the queen, brood, and precious honey. Here's something that might surprise you. A bee missing a leg or antenna is often a sign of successful grooming, not disease. The hive sacrifices parts to save the whole. Right now, we're seeing strong grooming behavior in our Bee-Croft honey apiary. This is what our bees are doing right now in Sydney.